So guys, today is going to be a come shop with me in Poundland, and then afterwards I'm going to come and show you guys the stuff that I got. First items I got are these that I'm actually going to use for DIY. So yeah, I got these. I've already got one already, but I need more to do that DIY. So watch out for DIY using these. I know what you're thinking, what's you going to use it for? Trust me, it's a good idea. Next I got this newbie simply toddler training, but like my son doesn't need training anymore, but like this is actually a snack container. So basically he puts his finger in there and like he can hold his snack and take his snacks out of the pot. Yeah, £1. I seriously thought it was gonna be like £2, but like yeah, £1. This is gonna be like perfect, £1. I'm still surprised the fact that it was £1. Right, in this video I'd actually go to Poundland twice, so like later on you're gonna see me looking a bit different because that's like a haul on a different date. This is, oh my goodness, basically, you know, it's a juice pot, water, whatever. Oh, she can make it larger. Oh my goodness, I got it for my daughter. I just love the way it closes over here, seriously, and she can just put this in her bag. £1. Found this, right, Laura Pad allergy relief, oral solution. So basically for allergies like hay fever, yeah, hay fever and other allergies. So relief of sneezing, itchy eyes and runny nose. Suitable for 2 years plus. One of my kids suffer from hay fever. I was like, this would be really good instead of getting like the one that's almost like £5 at the pharmacy. I mean, if it's £5, get it for your kid, like seriously. But like for £1, I saw it was like, oh, let me see this, let me try this. Got this Milo's First Shapes. Basically it's a book for your little one to learn all like the different shapes. Yeah, just really pretty, like really simple, pretty, like book, triangle. So yeah, I got this, picked up a bus, but my son, when it comes to toys, he's not going to wait for me to fill my hauls. And he's a kid, he doesn't need to. He got this last time, but last time he got it and he put it down the toilet. I can't give him that back. Seriously, no matter how I wash it, I'm just like your OCD. I don't know why he put it in the toilet. Strange kid. Well, it's not strange, all of these kids, they're like putting stuff down the toilet. What's going on? And then the last thing I got actually is this book. Look at the book. Seriously, you can tell why I grabbed this book, right? Made with Love. I just love I just love it. I saw it, I was like, oh, I need to get this. I don't know what the story's about. I see the mum's baking, cute story. I just love like the sketch, the picture. Why am I lost for words to explain what I love about the book? I just love the cover of the book, basically. So the first things we picked up are these Marvels. They are these travel toothbrushes for the kids. And I've got the Avengers one. So this one's Iron Man and, oh no, Captain America, the blue one, and Iron Man, the red one. And like obviously they've got the covers, and like the covers is really nice because you know when you move it, I forget what it's called, that thing where you move it and then it changes, like I forgot what it's called. I also got my daughter actually a My Little Pony one, and like she's gonna have an extra one left, which is like totally fine. But like the reason why I got the kids new toothbrushes, they recently had throat infections, and like whenever they have throat infections, I just feel like it's time to change their toothbrushes. I feel like the brush covers, they can still use it, because normally these are for like traveling. It's hot and you just get flies are everywhere. Seriously, you come out of the train station, there's a fly. You know, we all know flies, they stand anywhere, so it was great if the kids' toothbrushes are covered. So next I got this PJ Mask wash mitt for my son. The three left. Oh no, I took one, so there's 2 left in store. Yeah, people just grab these wash mitts, to be honest. So yeah, I got the PJ Masks one. My son's wash mitt, Mickey Mouse, he's gone missing. Also I picked up mask away masking tape for a DIY coming very soon. I got this book, and like it's seriously for £1, right? I feel like it looks so good quality. This is something you see in WH Smith on the shelf. Look at it. Don't you think you would see that in WH Smith on the shelf? The book is called The King of Space, and it's by Johnny Duddle. I feel like it looks really good quality. Like the detail of the pictures are just really nice. Yeah, oh gosh, this is really nice. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves. Give the video a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification of all my videos. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon.